Oh God. Oh God. You are completely good and you made a perfect world. For all that you created was good. Since I was born, I have never experienced good thing in my life. I have been battling with this sickness, and now doctor just said that I only have 2 days to live. After spending all I have just to get well, what have I not done to be well? God, why do you allow bad things to happen to good people? Where have I gone wrong? In what way have I not obeyed you? Is it the sin of my parents or my own sin made me suffer this way? God, why me? Why me, God? Why me?